Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the form now. Open Google Forms and hit the plus to start a blank form. Name the form and add a clear description. This sets respondent expectations. Once done, pick where responses go, link a new Google Sheet for analysis, or leave none to export later. Make sure to set language and time zone if needed, because those affect timestamps and validation. Now you're ready to add your first question and choose its type. You now add and configure questions. Start with question type selection and enter concise prompts. For key items, mark them required and add response validation when you need numbers, emails, or length limits. To control flow, insert sections, then use go to section based on answer so different respondents see different follow-ups. Also attach images or videos where visual context helps. Finally, preview frequently to verify question order and logic behave as you expect. You finish by configuring form settings. Decide if you collect emails, restrict to one response, and allow editing after submit. Then choose sharing, copy link, send via email, or embed on a site. If needed, restrict to your organization. Once published, test end-to-end by submitting sample responses and checking the link spreadsheet. If results don't appear, make sure response destination is set and sheet permissions allow writing. If not, relink the sheet and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.